May ikan ni katupya. Paibong peg. Tong mamaya manu ba ay mayame yang badi Christmas. Hatu simi ang gumno. Menyetok mamaya bi maya. Sisa. Ban tere maya me. Maya li cakap angel sya.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Umetrong ba kajalau konrat kongkal sangma haka khatsantri uyayong aja phunri ula Plie patba ya ka multipurpose kam dorbar hall jong shnong new nongstein ya ka balate halor ka market complex ka badan new nongstein west khasi has district ha ka jingalang Plie ya ka multipurpose kam dorbar hall la sakhilang no MLA ka nongstein yung ba Gabriel Walang u MLA ka Rambrai u RG Moment ki he officer ka district kinoyalam ka shnong new nongstein ki patba bat kiwe
I would like to take this opportunity to thank the members who have invited me here to inaugurate this particular hall, including our Honorable MLA. In the beginning, I was wondering that I have not contributed anything towards this beautiful hall, but I'm yet being called to inaugurate. But once I received the memorandum for the gallery, I understood why I have been called here. Friends, I'm very happy to see that the community, along with the government, with the local leaders, across party lines, across politics, we have come together to serve the people of our state. This beautiful hall is a great example of how the community and elected representatives can come together to create something which is really meaningful and truly beautiful. In the last 8 years, with the support of the people of our state, with the blessings of the Almighty, our NDA government has been able to serve the people of our state. Different districts, different constituencies, different regions, but our efforts have been the same in every part of our state. Our effort has been to ensure that no district, no area is left behind. No individual is left behind. It's not easy, it's very difficult. But that is the intention and the focus with which we work. I'm happy to inform you that in the last 8 years, close to 130 major projects, infrastructure projects have been taken up in West Khasi Hills alone. These 129, to be precise, 129 which means in the last 8 years, in West Khasi Hills district alone, 1,315 crores worth of projects is going on as we speak. And this is much larger than what the district has seen in many of the years put together. In the road sector alone, 600 crores worth of projects is going on in West Khasi Hills. In water supply sector alone, 200 crores worth of projects is going on as we speak. In tourism department, over 150 crores worth of projects are going on in West Khasi Hills district. Like that in education, in healthcare sector, agriculture, youth and sports and youth affairs. In all these sectors, different projects today are going on.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.